Okay, in today's video, we're going to show you how to test a relay that's common in the Chevy Silverado. These 5-pin relays are 4 and 5-pin relays used. These 5 pins are common in your instrument panel fuse block, and they're associated with like your door controls and stuff. So thought I'd show you how to test the relays to see if they're good. If you're having problems with maybe a remote or something to do with your door controls and all, you can start with these relays and all. Now, to simplify this, what I've done is I've laid it out in the proper orientation. I've used a magnifying glass to identify each pin, and I've put them on a piece of paper for you to see: 87, 87A, 85, 86, and 30. They're in the correct orientation. I have a multimeter. I have a 12-volt battery with alligator clips in order to test this. First thing I want to do is I want to test for the ohm rating. So get your multimeter and look at the ohms. I've set it to the lowest level the ohms. And here we go. We're going to test across 85 and 86. And I'm going to hold this steady. Watch the meter. And we're going to see what our ohm ratings are on these. All right, so I'm getting an ohm of about 89 on this one. So again, going from 85 to 86. I'm testing both the lock and unlock relays that are in the panel for your doors. Locking and unlocking. And here we go, got 83.6 on this. All right, that'll give me the ohm ratings. The ohm ratings can go from 75 to 100. Depends on the manufacturer, but that's good for GM and Chevy products and all. All right, now the next thing I want to do is I want to check continuity. So I'm going to move my meter over to continuity here, and I'm going to test it. Continuity, I can hear the beep. I'm going to be testing now across 87A and 30. 87A being the center and 30 being in the bottom right. Listen for continuity. Okay, that's good. That's good. All right, so that's testing out. Now, just to be sure, we can check 87 and 30. We should not have continuity because that is open. Okay, when powered, it'll be closed. All right, so what we're going to do now is we're going to put power to the relays, and we're going to test that next. So to get power, I'm going to take now off my 12-volt battery. I'm going to feed 85, and I'm going to come to 86. Now, the orientation doesn't matter, but listen for the relay. Okay, you hear that click. All right, so the relay is operable. All right, let's check this next one. Same thing. Okay, I hear the relay. Now, to be sure, the final step is I'm going to connect this alligator clip here. And we heard the relay. And while I'm still in the continuity, I'm going to test now across 30 and 87. So here we go, from 30 to 87. I have continuity. That is a good relay. All right, so let me get this off. Let's test this other. Put in process. And we're going to hear the click. Yes. And then we're going to test again for continuity. Yes. Both of those relays are good. Again, this is an 06 Chevy Silverado. I'm checking the door lock and unlock relays.